guys, I'm just checking in. My mom and son made it, and this is Blizzard. So crafting's going to be a real challenge since this one thinks it's his lounge area. Say hello to Blizzard. He's the brother of two of our girls, Tiger and Domino. Look at this. How am I going to craft, people?
Oh my God.
Have a happy day.